Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. I know this video is a little bit late, but today I'm unboxing the May 2026 Sew Sampler box. I am going to be giving away the contents of this box at the end of this video, so hopefully that'll make up for it being a little bit late. Let's go ahead and dive into today's video. I'll show you what's inside the May box, and then I'll tell you how to enter to win. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They are monthly boxes. Sometimes they have a wait list, sometimes they have openings, so you'll just need to check their website. And I will put a link on where you can get the Sew Sampler boxes below this video. If they have any openings, you can just sign right up. I think they did increase the prices of the boxes in April, so I believe they're now $34.95 a month plus shipping. You'll want to double check the website just to verify that for me. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So I already showed you the insert. It says Coral Me Happy. That is for May. It also has all of the information about our products in here and the monthly sew along. And if you're new to the Sew Sampler boxes, each month they put a block pattern in the box. At the end of 12 months, they will show you how to put them all together. So it's like you're making a sampler quilt throughout the year of getting the boxes. This one is block number 2, and this is the spooled quilt along. Here is what the block looks like. The pattern, like I said, is included in this box, and then you can also get them at the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98 after they release if you want to just keep up with the patterns and you're not getting the boxes. And then it does still say on here that there are limited quilt kits available. So we're only on block number 2, so they probably still have some of those kits available if you want to sew it in the same colors that Fat Quarter Shop is doing. And then your quilt will look like theirs at the end. And it looks like they're doing them all in red and white. This is what the pattern itself looks like. It's just a cardboard or cardstock folded pattern. So they're nice patterns, easy to follow, and usually pretty beginner friendly. These blocks are finishing at 9.5 by 9.5. You'll have 12 of them. I'm not sure what the layout is. That's always a surprise. You find that out at the end of the 12 months of getting the boxes. We also got 2 patterns in this month's box. The White Caps quilt pattern is the one for the box. It's Sew Sampler exclusive. Values at $11.98. This one finishes at 61 by 75.5. And then they also threw in an extra one, which is kind of fun. This is the Star Flower quilt. It finishes at 44 by 63. There's also a table runner option available on that as well. And so they have all the instructions on what you would need to make both quilts on the back of the panels. Okay, because both those patterns have a lot of half square triangles, they did include a 2.75 half square triangle paper roll in here. Triangles on a roll, this is H275. This values at $15.98. And it says bring a wave of precision to your quilting with the half square triangle paper, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro. These triangles on a roll make it easy to achieve perfect crisp points and matched corners every time. Just unroll what you need, let the guidelines lead the way, and tuck the rest away for a tidy workspace. Your projects will glide together smoothly like a calm tide, carrying every piece right into place. Try it with the White Caps pattern in this box. And I always love the descriptions on these because whoever writes those is amazing. They have such creativity. So anyways, here is the triangle on a roll paper. Kimberly has tons of videos on how to use these on her website. So you can check the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel. There's tons of tutorials on how to use the triangle on a roll paper. And if you look back at the pattern, all of these guys are probably half square triangles. Yep, all half square triangles. So that's a lot of half square triangles. I think that paper will come in really handy. As a matter of fact, they even have it on the list on the back of the pattern. The next thing we have in our bag is this block quick and easy all stars block tool. This is by Debbie Rogers for C&T Publishing. It values at $18.98, and it says gaze into a sea of starry possibilities with the quick and easy all stars block tool quilt book. Inside you'll discover 110 dazzling star blocks and inspiring project ideas that offer endless versatility for all your quilts. This approachable guide is packed with helpful tips, clear diagrams, and handy yardage charts in multiple sizes to bring confidence to every step. With pre-cut friendly layout, organized reference tables, planning your masterpiece is as smooth as a summer breeze. And so they have all the blocks on the back. And then as you can see, I don't know if I can, it's hard to flip these, but as you can see here, it has instructions for all of those blocks, 110 different quilt blocks. And there's a table of contents at the front that shows you all of the blocks and what pages they're on. So this would be a really handy little tool to have. And then let's just look at one here. They have the instructions for the block, and then they have different sizing options available. the assembly instructions are pretty, like, you know, fast. Like, here's this, 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 and this. Like, those are your assembly instructions. So you do kind of have to know what you're doing a little bit, I think, especially maybe on some of the harder blocks. I mean, gosh, if I did that, my patterns would be way less pages. Anyway, so this is a really cool tool to have in your kit. Okay, the only other thing in our box is a pile of Tula pink fabric, always nice to see. And this says White Caps Floral Reef Petite 10-inch Stacker by Tula Pink, values at $23.48. And it says make a splash on your next project with this hand-picked set of 20 10-inch squares from Floral Reef by Tula Pink. This collection is bursting with reef-inspired colors, lively corals, aquatic blues, and playful sea life that float perfectly into the White Caps quilt pattern. Each pre-cut square feels like a little underwater treasure, bringing a fresh tide of seaside whimsy right to your sewing table. We can kind of take a look at some of these prints. I am going to be doing a giveaway for this, so I don't want to unroll this fabric because I want it to be able to still look pretty when you get it, whoever wins. But there's lots of fun colors in here. Per usual, Tula Pink always has really bright, vibrant colors in her lines. I'm sure you've all heard of her. So nothing new here. Okay, so lots of fun colors there in that stacker. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. It seemed like a little bit less to me, but that's because we got the book, which was sort of a high value item, and then the fabric, which was sort of a high value item, and the triangles on a roll were also a little bit more expensive. So the total value for this month's box is $75.40. So that's a pretty good value for your cost. It just seemed like there was less, like maybe little doodads in there, which is probably fine because like I said, we did get some kind of higher dollar items in there. So I think the boxes tend to range around $70-ish, so 75, a little bit higher on the scale. And then, like I said, you're paying about $34 for the boxes. So, all right, so here's everything that came in the box. So I feel like it's a pretty good value for your money. Now, I am going to be doing a giveaway for the entire contents of this box, except for this pattern here. I always pull these out, bundle them all up, including the finishing instructions. So at the end of the 12 months, I bundle these up and do a big giveaway for one of you guys. So this will not be included, but everything else will be included. Now, in order to win, I was doing them here on YouTube, and we just had so many spammers, and it was really hard to contact people who won. And so I had boxes like piling up here. I am going to be running the giveaway in our Sew With Me group on Facebook. It's a lot easier to get a hold of people there. Also, there's no spammers in there trying to enter to win the giveaway, so it's just a little bit easier for everyone overall, and then you're hopefully not getting emails saying that you won when you didn't really win. So I apologize. I wish people didn't do that, but it just is what it is. So in order to keep our giveaways a little bit easier and safer for everyone, we're going to be running them in our Sew With Me group on Facebook. Plus, that gives you a little bit of an incentive to join the Sew With Me group. There will be a link right below this video with a link to that Facebook group. You're going to want to look for the post that has a photo of these items and says giveaway on it, and then you can follow those instructions to enter the giveaway there. And I will also make sure to pin that to the top. I'll pick one winner for this box and then get that shipped out, and hopefully you can have some fun goodies for the summer. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. And if you're new to the Sew Sampler boxes, in each box they put out, these blocks look like they are finishing, does it say? So we have a little extra in there. I need glasses. Hey. Yo. Hey. Okay, I'm running out of batteries, so let me just finish saying these things, then I'll come out and talk to you all about your day. Okay? But I'm like literally out of batteries, so I'm like struggling right now. Okay. All right, so that's everything that came in this box. I did not add it up for you because I forgot.